Welcome to my mem.ai tool review usage experience video. In this review, I'll dive into everything you need to know about the mem.ai tool, covering its features, usability, and how it stands out in the AI-powered productivity space. If you're interested, I've added links to the product in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Mem is an AI-powered note-taking and knowledge management tool designed for professionals, students, and anyone looking to optimize their information management. At its core, MEM uses advanced machine learning to automate the organization of your notes, making it incredibly intuitive to use. It's not just about taking notes. It's about smart, automatic categorization and retrieval. What sets MEM apart is its focus on smart linking, which automatically connects ideas based on context, allowing you to easily recall and expand upon related information. One standout feature is its search and recall functionality. Whether you're looking for something you wrote a few months ago or need to find related concepts across your notes, MEM makes it fast and efficient to retrieve information. It uses AI to predict and surface the most relevant notes based on what you're currently working on. This is a huge time saver, especially if you manage large volumes of notes. Another powerful aspect of MEM is its integration with other tools like Google Docs and Slack, enabling a seamless workflow across platforms. This is perfect for team collaborations and managing both personal and professional knowledge without the hassle of switching between apps. MEM's clean, minimalist interface ensures that it's not overwhelming, and its speed makes it easy to adopt into your daily routine. Whether you're taking notes during a meeting, organizing research for a project, or trying to manage your personal knowledge base, mem.ai provides a smooth, intelligent experience. If you're looking for a tool that not only stores your notes, but helps you interact with them in a meaningful way, Mem is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details.